Hello, I'm Chelsea Fry with Motor Age Magazine. In the auto repair industry, making do with a smaller staff is fast becoming a reality. While we can't control how many technicians are entering the industry, the one thing shop owners can control is being proactive and putting yourself in a position to do more with less by having good policies and good procedures in place. David Rogers is the Chief Operating Officer of Keller Bros. Inc., President of Auto Profit Masters, and President of Shop 4D. He's here today to share his experience on how he and his shop have done more with less by implementing the 3 E's, which are education, energy, and efficiency. David, thanks for joining us today.
Hey, thanks for having me. It's good to be here.
We're happy to have you. So, the first E is education. Why is training essential to being able to do more with fewer staff members?
Well, at the risk of creating extra E words to remember, the reason is expectations. The only way for your team to be consistent and successful is to know what's expected of them, including what their responsibilities are, how they'll be measured, and how they are to achieve that. All of this is going to come from training. When expectations are unclear, or when you turn a blind eye towards measurement, then you begin to have chaos. And chaos leads to inefficiencies and bottlenecks. When your team is trained and accountable, on the other hand, they can work in a complete sync. They can communicate non-verbally, meaning there's no technician standing around waiting until an advisor might be available to answer their question. And they have good procedures that'll help them avoid time-wasting mistakes like missing wheel locks or lost paperwork and those sorts of things.
Great. So, can you briefly explain the other 2 E's, which are energy and efficiency, and how they're key to productivity?
Well, when your team's educated about processes and expectations, they're held accountable through measurement. Then you can use an incentive-based pay plans to energize your team. It's critical that your team is properly incentivized, though. Jumping into a cookie cutter pay plan can lead to disincentives that will literally eat at your team and your productivity like a cancer. With a pay plan that incentivizes your team to work together to grow your shop and to care for the customer, you're truly going to energize that team. The right pay plan is like harnessing a team of horses together. It creates synergy. The law of synergy says that if you have 2 horses and each horse can pull 1,000 pounds, when you harness them together, they may pull 3,000 together. The final E is efficiency. And this is where I'm so excited for our industry. In the span of the last few years, we've gone from having to send our employees out, pay for flights and hotels just to get a little training. Now we can train the employees while they're doing their job, because the point of sale today has service writer training built in. Truly more than a POS, it's a full shop management system, an enterprise system. Better yet, the point of sale has artificial intelligence built in to help them get better results at the job as they're doing it. That same artificial intelligence can and has shown us as owners how the employees are getting more efficient at their job and where we should focus on training them and trying to overcome new challenges. That's the kind of exciting world we live in now, thanks to tools like Shop 4D.
Excellent. David, thank you so much, for explaining the importance of having educated, energized, and efficient employees, as well as the shop. To learn more about this topic, you can reach out to David at contact@shop4d.com. Thank you.
I'll answer them personally. Thank you, Chelsea. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.